Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. So I feel like it's been a while, you guys, and honestly it has. Pretty quiet summer. I did cancel a lot of subscriptions, as you guys know, so there's been some time between getting things. So this week I got one thing earlier in the week, and I really didn't think it was enough to make a video on. And then I got tracking on another item and it did show up. So I'm going to do two items for you guys because honestly they're pretty small and they'll go together well. So pardon the appearance, y'all. It is late in the day. I just got out of the shower. My hair is still pretty drippy wet. Just a hot mess. Beautiful weekend. Kind of hot. Got really sweaty. Did a lot of stuff outside. So you're catching me at the end of the day. So first thing we're going to have, you guys, is Scentbox. Woohoo! One of my favorite subscriptions. So this is a monthly fragrance. You pick the level of fragrance that you want to be a subscriber for, and you go in and you pick every month you set up what they call a queue. You guys know what a queue is. You know, when you go to like Disney, they put you in a line. That's called a queue. So you set up your fragrance queue. You go in and depending on the level of your subscription, you pick from a whole bunch of different fragrances that you want to try, and you set up your fragrance queue. So I entered Scentbox at their base level, and I have since bumped up to their premium level. Now they have two more levels above this, which they have done fairly recently. So, you know, I got more to go, but let's see what they sent. Which means let's see what I chose, because I don't really remember. So it always comes like this, and it always, except for the first month, always comes like this. The first month you get a really nice, cute box. After that, they look like this. I've got a whole bunch of them here. All right, let's see what we got. So first thing they do tell you, they send you a little card that is the fragrance of the month. They have a his and a her fragrance of the month. So let's see what we've got here. Ooh, all right, so we've got a Dolce & Gabbana, the one. It's D&G, the one. Scent of the month, it is grapefruit, ginger, basil, and tobacco. And then they have Eternal Flame from Calvin Klein as the other scent of the month, with mandarin, sweet pea, spice, and amber. All right, so here's what the first one looked like. That's Dolce & Gabbana, the one. And then here is what it looks like for the Calvin Klein. So very interesting. All right. I always get a little packing slip that tells me what's in here. Now the reason I really like Scentbox is if you do not care for the scent that you picked, you do get one chance for the month to do a free return and exchange, which is really nice. So what did I get? Ooh, I remember this. Carolina Herrera's Good Girl Eau de Parfum Spray. Let's see what color the little Y'all, I just threw it under my desk. Hold, please. I swear, y'all. Wouldn't be me if I wasn't throwing things across the room under my desk. Okay, so as I was saying, the atomizers each month usually look a little different. They're different colors, so kind of fun. Ooh, I like this. I love this. This is a really pretty pink. We've gotten this before. You know, it doesn't necessarily mean anything. Sometimes they color coordinate for if there's a certain thing going on in the month. Like, you know, in March, they might use a green atomizer. All right, so this is the amount you get. And I always make sure that the top is really secure. So this is 0.7 fluid ounces, if I remember this correctly. Basically, they say this is enough for 30 days of use for like 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3 pumps per day. So let's take a sniffy. We're going to do one spritz. Let that sit. Now remember, don't rub. Just pat to transfer it. If you rub, you crush the fragrance. I learned that. Ooh, I like this. Very fresh. Y'all know I love jasmine. Love jasmine. Oh, I like this a lot. Okay, so like I said, this is Good Girl. from Carolina Herrera. This is a higher level. This is the premium. It's a premium fragrance. It's more expensive. Basically, if the bottle of eau de parfum or perfume you're going for is really getting expensive, you're going to have to go up a level in the subscription levels. So what did I do? Like I said, I started out and I tried like a good year's worth at their base level. And then when I was kind of hunting and couldn't find anything I wanted to try, that's when I knew it was time to go up a level, right? So I've recently gone up a level. I think this is maybe my second or at most third month at that higher level. So I'm really enjoying it. Last month was a Givenchy and I really liked that fragrance. So I've actually put it back in my queue. It's going to be a couple months from now, but I like this. This is really, I can still smell it. So honestly, that one good spray, very potent eau de parfum, which is good. The eau de parfum is going to be a much longer lasting smell or fragrance than a eau de toilette. The eau de toilette is going to be kind of diluted. You're going to probably need to keep reapplying throughout the day, but the parfums are going to be the strongest. The eau de parfums are going to be the next level down. So I like this. Oh, happy with that. So again, Carolina Herrera, it says in here, eau de parfum in the Good Girl. So the other thing I have for y'all, this is samples of fragrance. Now, I don't know that this is such a good idea for me to have tried on my Carolina Herrera because I'm not going to be able to smell these. So we'll at least open the box and see what they sent for samples. And I don't know that I'm going to be able to even smell any of them. Okay. Loving your complimentary fragrance samples? Shop these top scents at MACYS, the fragrance destination. With over 250 of the world's finest fragrances, we make it easy to find your perfect scent. Okay, thank you, MACYS. All right, it looks like I got 4 fragrances. Ooh, okay, we've got one from Givenchy. This is Irresistible. Is that what I got? Let me look. I don't think so, but I got from Givenchy last year, it was L'Interdit, so not the same one, but I will be excited to try that. We'll see what that smells like. I still smell that perfume. I'm not even going to try to sample these. This is Azzaro's The Most Wanted. Ooh. Y'all, I'm telling you, I'm throwing things, dropping things, sending things going flying. So this will be a little hard to see. It's very dark. Really dark. I'm going to go ahead and open it. A little perforation here and see what it says. This is a parfum, not an eau de parfum. It's a parfum, so it's going to be quite potent. It says, a new rise in intensity for the man who wants to unleash his burning energy. Ooh. It's got red ginger, incandescent wood accords, and bourbon vanilla. So I'm going to try that on Hubster. All right, then we've got John Varvatos. This is an eau de toilette spray. So this one's going to be a very light dilute. Probably would need to reapply this fragrance throughout the day. And this one says it is a bold, modern, and sophisticated scent with a refined masculine intrigue. John Varvatos. Another one for him. It's my little samples, and I'm getting a bunch of samples for the dude. Hubster. Okay, so then we've got Marc Jacobs, Perfect Marc Jacobs. This is an eau de parfum spray, and it says a bright daffodil and juicy rhubarb accords meet soft cashmerian and comforting notes of almond milk, dazzling and unexpected, perfect, just like you. It's kind of cute. I mean, there's some cute little doodling from Marc Jacobs, and then the inside looks like that. Kind of fun just to look at. And that first one was Givenchy, not really all that exciting. It just says rose effervescent, floral, woody, fruity, luscious rose dancing with a radiant blonde wood. So 2 fragrances for him and 2 fragrances for her to try. So those will be nice. We'll have to give these to Hubster and have him decide whether he wants to try those or not. So yeah. fragrances. It's all about fragrances today. Really, really, really did like this. I still smell it, you guys. This is a very potent smell from her. So I really like that from Scentbox. Now to circle back on Scentbox, you guys, I do have a referral code down below. And what you can do, I don't earn any money on that, but what you can do is you get a free month, okay? And that would be at their introductory level. And how that works is when you subscribe, you have to pay for the first month up front, and then your second month you get free. Now you can go on their site, which is scentbox.com, and they will give you a discount for your first month. Instead of paying about $16, $15, whatever that introductory level is, I've got that down below. They discount you to just under $10. So you might save like $5 or $6. Or if you use my code, you get an entire month for free. So you're saving like $15, $16. But you do pay up front the first month, which, you know, honestly, you guys, is, of course, they're going to have you do that. They want to have you, you know, pay for a month before they're going to give you something for free. So, yeah. If you guys want to use that, that's great. Anyway, you would get your second month free. And then once you are a subscriber, they do send me a little code. I do get one of these free free referral, which is really nice. And then when you're subscribed, you do have a referral code as well. And then you can introduce your friends and family members to Scentbox as well. So I actually love it, you guys. I have used up these. You know, they give you 30 days worth. You have to be careful, though. Like I showed you guys, you can accidentally get these to kind of start coming undone. And I did have one whole fragrance like dump all over my work bag. My work bag smelled really good for a while, but I really didn't get the opportunity to wear that fragrance. My work bag wore that fragrance. So, you know, they're not meant to be long lasting. It's, you get a month, you know. And the thing is, if you have a fragrance that you really like and you want, you can just keep getting it replenished. And you earn points. So as you earn points, you can eventually use that to buy like the full bottles of fragrances, which is really nice. So, all right, guys, let me know what you guys think down below. Have you ever tried, you know, Carolina Herrera is really well known for her fragrances. They're very high end. Her packaging is absolutely spectacular. They're those bottles that are meant to look like a stiletto high heel. They're so cute, but I really like the smell. And again, the Scentbox fragrances of the month are going to be Dolce & Gabbana's The One, and then Calvin Klein's Eternity Flame. So they just do like shout outs of certain fragrances each month to try to get people to try them. So, all right, guys, hope you're having a great one. Stay cool if you're here in the north, because it's hot, hot, hot in the northern hemisphere. If you're wintering in the southern hemisphere, I hope you're enjoying your winter and looking forward to spring. But here, I'm getting tired of the 90 to 100 degree days. Getting fried every day, but looking forward to another good month of summer before we start looking at our fall season. So don't forget, guys, we do have our Christmas in July giveaway going on. You've got to watch the videos, you guys. So much fun. I had so much fun with Jeannie. She was my partner, and her channel is Sips and Lips and Makeup Tricks. When we did all kinds of little Christmas gift exchanges, and then we're both doing a giveaway. So make sure you check my video out. Check out the link to her channel. All the rules for my giveaway are down below in that particular video's description, okay? That's the only way to learn how to enter that giveaway, but tons of fun. I really enjoyed it. Hope you guys check it out and get entered. And have a great one, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.